Hi, in this video, let's talk about cyber attacks. Myself, Vishal. I'm a certified ethical hacker and certified Microsoft architect. What's in cyber attack? Cyber attack is an assault launched by cyber criminals using one or more computers against a single or multiple computers or networks. So generally, a cyber attack is initiated by a cyber criminal. They use one or many devices targeting particular company or a particular device. So that's a cyber attack. So cyber attack can maliciously disable computers, steal data, breach computers as a launch point for other attacks. So the main intention of cyber attack is like disabling the computers, stealing their data, like confidential data or company's information. It can be anything. So their intention to steal the data or breach the computers like as a launch point for other attacks. They can have that as an initial attack, and from that mission they can initiate another few more attacks, keeping that as an initial computer. That can be a scenario as well. Let's talk about a few types of cyber attacks. Electronic money laundering. So this involves the use of computer to launder money. So creating a huge amount of money from criminal activity such as terrorist activity, drug trafficking. So it's like generally like money laundering is nothing but movement of money with the help of electronic features. So this is generally used in terrorist activities and drug trafficking. So this is where electronic money laundering is done for cyber attacks. And next one is an ATM fraud. This involves intercepting ATM card details such as account number, PIN numbers, and these details are used to withdraw funds by the intercepted accounts. So they try to steal your card numbers and PIN numbers, and they initiate to withdraw money using those intercepted informations. Next few types of cyber attacks. Inside attack. Inside attack is an attack initiated by an entity inside the security perimeter. So that is the entity that has authorized to access the system resources but uses them in a way not approved by those who granted the authorization. This is generally referred as insider attack. So insider attack is a person who sits inside to the organization, who has all the access, but he tries to use that as an illicit purpose. So he is an insider to the company. Next one is an outside attack. Attack is initiated from the outside the perimeter by an unauthorized or illegitimate user of the system. So he is directly an unauthorized access, a totally unrelated person to the organization. He uses internet for this potential attacking medium, and he tries to attack the organization. So that is referred as outside attack. Next type is an active attack. Active attack attempts to alter system resources or affect the operation. So their main intention is to affect the operation or the system resources. So that's an active attack. And passive attack is nothing but attempts to learn or make use of information from the system but does not affect the system resources. So this is kind of an passive way of attacking where the intention is purely to steal the data and use it for illicit purpose, but they will not try to affect the resources. A huge example for a cyber attack when the Twitter was hacked. So Twitter accounts of major companies and individuals were compromised on July 15, 2020. On that day, it was a widespread and confounding breaches in the platform as ever seen. So all in the service promoting a Bitcoin scam that earned its creators like $200,000 were being got as a profit for the hackers. So they were putting some phishing or scamming messages with the use of hacking the major companies individuals accounts. So they used those as a medium, and they had some messages into them like promoting Bitcoin scams. Thanks for listening. Stay safe, stay secure. Let's meet in another interesting video from Cyber Upskills.